So right now I cannot flash the board because the debugger is not being recognized, and this is a problem with the Windows 11 drivers. So if we go to the device manager, you can see that right here we got a bulk interface and it needs some drivers. So first of all, let's take a look at the list here to manually select a driver, and what we are looking for is a controller of the USB, and we need to search for the Segger drivers right here, and you need to select the J-link driver here. Okay, so the Windows tells you that it cannot say that this driver is actually for this device, so we just skip it manually. Okay, so now as we get this, we can try to flash the board. Okay, and we got the board now programmed.